Hello, my name is Calvin Hayes, and I work at the U.S. Embassy. And today's idiomatic expression is, take a rain check. The term rain check has its origins in outdoor baseball. When a game was postponed due to rain or other inclement weather, teams would issue a rain check so that fans could return to see the rescheduled game in the future. But as an idiom, it means to accept an invitation, but postpone for a future time.
How are your taxes going?
Oh, great, man. You're about finished now, right?
Yeah, almost.
Hey guys! So we're still on for dinner tonight at that new barbecue space downtown. The one that just opened up like last week. You know what I'm talking about, right?
Oh, is that tonight? I told someone I'd help them move. Can we take a rain check?
Yeah, man, no problem. I mean, I'm sure it'll be worth the wait anyway. Next time.
If he won't take you out, I'll take you.
I'm married!
Thank you so much for joining us. See you next time with another U.S. Embassy English tip. But be on time. Don't take a rain check.